Hello everyone, my name is PRANAY CHATARE. I did my graduation in mechanical engineering from North Maharashtra University, Jalgaon. I joined QSpiders on October last year, where I learned so much skills like Core Java by Akshay sir, manual testing by Anvesh sir and Akanksha ma'am, and I did and they conduct multiple mocks and presentations where I improve my communication skills as well as the approach and the confidence, and where I understand how to crack the interview in any company, for any company, and that's the best thing I learned from QSpider. So that's, yeah, thank you.